Are spam calls interrupting your day? Whether it's fake promotions, scam calls, or unknown numbers calling over and over again, I'm going to show you several easy ways to reduce or completely stop them on your Android phone. Let's get started. Method 1. Enable caller ID and spam protection. First, open the phone app. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Settings. Tap Caller ID and Spam Protection. Turn on C-Caller and Spam ID. Also enable Filter Spam Calls if your phone has this option. Your phone can now identify many known spam callers before you answer. Method 2. Block individual numbers. If the same number keeps calling you, blocking it is easy. Open your recent calls list, tap the spam number, tap Block or Block and Report Spam. Once blocked, that number won't be able to call you again. Method 3. Silence unknown callers. If you're getting calls from numbers that aren't saved in your contacts, you can reduce interruptions. Open the phone app, go to Settings, look for Block Numbers. If your phone supports it, enable Block Unknown or Private Numbers. Keep in mind that this may also block legitimate callers you don't have saved. Method 4. Don't share your number publicly. Avoid posting your phone number on public websites or social media whenever possible. The more places your number appears online, the more likely it is to end up on spam call lists. Method 5. Keep your phone updated. Go to Settings, tap Software Update. Download and install any available updates. Phone updates often improve spam detection and security features. Method 6. Use your mobile carrier's spam protection. Many mobile carriers provide free or paid spam call filtering. Check your carrier's app or website to see whether they offer spam protection and enable it if available. Those are some of the best ways to stop spam calls on your Android phone. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more Android tips, and let me know in the comments which method worked best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.